got sick. I was fighting it. I said no, no, but it got me. But the show must go on. Emotions are a natural part of human life. Whether we like it or not, we all experience a wide range of emotions on a daily basis. Emotions can be positive or negative. However, not everyone knows how to process their emotions in a healthy way. People struggle with overwhelming feelings. They don't know how to cope with them effectively. The importance of processing your emotions. Emotions can be powerful and intense, and it can have a significant impact on our mental and physical health. When we suppress our emotions or fail to process them in a healthy way, we may experience a range of negative effects. Anxiety, depression, difficulty sleeping, difficulty concentrating. It is important to process your emotions in order to avoid these negative effects and maintain your overall well-being. How to process your emotions. Starting with mindfulness meditation. Now, mindfulness meditation can be a powerful tool. Now, what I mean by this, let's start with what I don't mean. It doesn't mean to be a monk, to sit in a Zen temple and just to say, no, that's not the point. All it means is to focus your attention on the present moment. For example, you can draw. And when you get lost in that process, thoughts come and go. You don't hold on to them. You don't latch onto them. You allow it to come and go. But you continue with the process. Or when you play piano, you just allow it to happen. Or you can just sit with your thoughts and it's coming and going. It's coming and going. You're not latching onto it. That's mindfulness meditation. Now, what that teaches you is just to let go a little bit instead of holding on to something. Because when you hold on to something like this, you will start to feel pain, and that is suffering. So maybe just learn to let go. The second is one of my favorites, journaling. Journaling is such an effective tool. You don't need a dedicated journal. You don't necessarily need a dedicated journal. A simple notepad will do, just to write down your thoughts. Whatever is bothering you, just get it down on paper. Either you will find a few solutions or you can write the solutions down. It just gives some perspective. When whatever is bothering you in your mind is on paper, it can give you perspective. You can gain clarity and insight into your emotions. When you're feeling frustrated, angry, upset, or even when you're happy, write what you're happy about. Write what you're grateful for. That can amplify your happiness. Writing can also help you release pent up emotions, things that you've been bottling up. Literally bottling up. It's not getting out. You need to get it out of the bottle. Either you're going to tell someone about it, or you're just going to write it down for yourself. You can either keep it in a journal or just on a notepad, a piece of paper. Afterwards, throw it away, but just get it out of you. Number 3, exercise. Also one of my favorites. Just go for a walk. That's all you need to do. Just a walk for 20 minutes, 15 minutes if 20 minutes is too much. Go for a walk, some exercise. Allow your emotions, allow your thoughts just to come and go. Be your own therapist. Exercise releases incredible chemicals and hormones, one of them being endorphins. It helps you to feel a little bit better about the future. It gives you a little bit of hope, which is what everyone needs. We need to see that light at the end of the tunnel. And if you don't worry, I guarantee you, it is there. If you're going through hell, keep going. Number 4, creative expression. Emotions, creativity, they usually go hand in hand. Whether it is painting or drawing, writing, dancing. When you express yourself in a creative way, that can also help to get those emotions out of you and just to experience a sense of calm and peace again. You can write, same as journaling, you can type, you can paint, you can draw, you can tend the garden, you can play around in the garden. It allows you to think. It allows you to channel those emotions. Once again, coming back to you being your own therapist. Number 5, which is self-care, which highlights everything we've talked about. Self-care is almost a given. When was the last time you spent time with yourself? You put away your phone, you shut down the computer, you just sat somewhere, either with a beautiful view. You can sit in your room, your living room, go for a walk in nature, go for a walk in a park, sit in your bed. Just talk with yourself. Talk with yourself like you would with a friend you deeply care for. What would you tell them if they were in your situation when they are struggling with their emotions? Maybe you'll tell them, I'm sure one thing you won't tell them is to calm down. Everything will be fine. Easier said than done. Maybe you'll tell them, when was the last time you took care of yourself? When was the last time you did something for yourself? Go for a drive all by yourself. Blast that music. Put your head out the window and just feel a little bit free. What happens when you do that? You let go, just for a moment, let go of those emotions and be free, and then maybe gain a deeper understanding and a better perspective. That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, take it one day at a time.